When you're creating bug reports or documents, constantly switching between different apps can be time-consuming. With Pixtel, you can handle everything in one place and send your work to Word, PowerPoint, or Excel with just a click. Here, I've captured an image using Pixtel, and I need to share it in a Word document. In the Pixtel home bar, you'll find the Share option, which contains the Export section offering various export types. Here, I'm selecting Word. Once selected, you'll notice the image is attached. Here, you can create a new page with a meaningful title. You also have options to adjust settings like adding a name, border, and you can scale the images and adjust their zoom levels. You can also choose the page orientation, either portrait or landscape. Additionally, you have the option to set a page breakdown after an image. Once you're done with the settings, simply click Export. After exporting, you'll see a success message. In Word, you can see the image is attached with the page title, and the tab name appears as the description, with a page breakdown after the image. If you have another image and want to append it to an existing document, simply select the Word document and uncheck Create New. You'll see a list of available documents. Here, I'm appending the image to the birds document. You can see the image is attached. You can see location is enabled. Before appending images at specific location options, let's take a look at the document. In my birds document, there's only one image, and I'm placing the cursor below it. Let's add the selected image right at the cursor's position. Simply select the cursor option and click Export. You can see the selected image has been added where the cursor was placed. And here's how my document looks now. Here, we have the first image of a peacock. Let's append another image at the beginning of the document. I've selected another bird image and chosen the Start option. Simply click Export, and you can see the newly added image has been inserted at the start of the document. Now, I want to append a new image at the end of the document. I've selected another image and chosen the End option, then clicked Export. You can see the new image has been inserted to the end of the document. If you wish to switch from Word to PowerPoint, you can select the drop-down to see various MS Office platforms. You can select PowerPoint to create a new page with a meaningful title and adjust the settings. For PowerPoint, you have options. In the Layout section, you'll find options like Title with Picture will places your image with the title at the top, and Picture with Caption will places the image with a caption below it. There's also the Full Slide Picture option, which fills the entire slide with your image. For size, you have wide and regular options. Pixtel also offers predefined color templates. You can choose any one of them. Here I've chosen the orange color. Once you click Export, the image will be exported to PowerPoint. You'll see the PowerPoint presentation created with the selected template, with the title and picture. Similarly, we can append images to available presentation and Excel documents just like we did for the Word. To share the image with Excel sheets, you can select Excel from the drop-down. If you've selected multiple images and want them all in a single worksheet, choose the Single Worksheet option. Once you click Export, the image is exported to an Excel worksheet. Here you can see the image is exported to the new worksheet. If you have multiple images, you can switch to Grid View. Here, you can select or unselect all images, or select specific images which you want to export. When you're ready, you can create a new Word document, PowerPoint, or Excel sheet. Here, I've chosen PowerPoint. Once you click on PowerPoint, you'll see all your images attached, and you can set meaningful page title. You can adjust settings and choose from various layout options. I've chosen the title with picture, the default size as width, and the green color template. Once you click Export, it will prepare a presentation with all the selected images. You'll see a presentation created with the selected template and images. To create a Word document, simply right-click and select a new document. You can set a meaningful page title, and you can see all images attached. You can adjust settings and page orientation here. After clicking Export, all images will be exported to a Word document. You can see all the images documented. Whether it's for bug reporting documentation or presentations, Pixtel offers all export options in a single platform, ready with just one click. Just Pixtel it. It isn't just a tool, it's Pixtel.